Good day to you. Please introduce yourself.
I'm Cristina Tumbaga, 28 years old, from Kawayan City, Isabela. Happily married for 10 years. I have 4 children, 2 boys, aged 10 and 5 years old, 2 girls, aged 9 and 1.5-year-old. My educational background is college level undergraduate.
Okay. Can you tell me your work experience?
My work experience is a nanny in Philippines. They have 4 members, a couple and 2 kids, aged 7 and 5 years old. My responsibility is take care of the children, clean the house, wash and iron. And as domestic helper in Saudi Arabia, they have 7 members, the couple and 5 kids. The age of the kids is 13, 10, 7, 5, and newborn. My responsibility is take care of the kids, clean the house, wash and iron.
Okay. What is your message to your future employer?
To my future employer, please select me as your domestic helper. I promise to be trust, hardworking, and honest. And I promise to be finished my 2 years contract. Thank you.